North High School, we have big news. It's official. Blue is going green.
This year, both high schools are going to reduce our effect on the environment by switching from styrofoam plates to reusable options.
The trays we currently use up to 5 days a week take 500 years to decompose. With us using almost 2,000 trays for both schools, that's 10,000 trays a week, 25,000 years of decomposition in a landfill, worsening climate change, air pollution, and even water pollution. This switch of reusable trays will give us a new opportunity to help Mother Earth just a little bit more, and we can't wait to take you along the ride.
Not only is this option much cheaper over time, but it puts less work on our amazing staff. Using dishwashers frees up their time to give you a more quality experience with your lunch.
During COVID, schools all across America struggled with labor and supply chain issues and weren't able to get the proper supplies to produce school lunches. Some schools even resorted to only finger foods.
To ensure we always have plates and utensils, LPS decided to take the step.
LPS can't wait to start helping, and we want you to get excited. Here's how you'll help us. First, grab your food.
And eating amongst friends. Once you're finished, you'll find the designated drop-off area.
Once you're here, you're going to want to clear your plate, put your plate neatly in the pile, and put your utensils in the bin.
But remember, this is only a renewable source if treated right, so please try not to damage school property.
We can't wait for our school to be able to say we're green, and for future sustainability projects. Make sure to be a good citizen and pick up after yourself.
Go Eagles!